Good morning. This is Wednesday, April 13th. This is Michael Ray. I'm building the spa here in Aspen, Colorado. And these are the pipes. These are the air and water pipes going to the back jets, which are 5. These are the air and water jets going to the calf jets, which is 5. Actually, the back jets are 8. This is where I brought the 2-inch pipe from the 3-inch pipe from the 3-inch horsepower, 3 horsepower pump, and I brought it up and stubbed it into the center of the manifold. So there's 2 jets here and 2 jets around on the side, 2 jets this way and 2 jets around on the side. So there's 4 jets each way of the manifold. I reduced down to 2-inch, to 1.5 here to maintain pressure to the side jets over there. These are the lines going from the vault into the basement where the heat exchangers and boilers are to heat the water for the spa, and the one coming back, which goes here and goes back to 2 floor jets, floor return lines. These are the 2 air lines for each jet system that are going to go to the loop once you move all the plastic. These are the 2 air jets, air pipes coming from the blowers inside the vault that are going to those loops and injecting air into the jets. These are the piping. These are the left and right skimmer sections that come from the basin and go to the heat pump, half horse. So it's going to suck water from the skimmers, return them back to the vault, to the basement of the house, and back to the bottom returns. As you can see, this is all the plumbing pretty much marked. After today, it's going to be covered in insulation, a special blown-on insulation that will protect the pipes when we backfill and also maintain heat. It's a little hard to walk around through this stuff, so maybe a little jerky. These are the filter suction and return lines. Sucks water from the floor of the spa and returns it back to 5 calf jets. This is the 3-inch suction lines coming from the basin and going back to 8 jets. This is the 4-inch pipes that go into what we call the infinity pump and return it back to 2 big 3-inch returns that are teed off of a 4-inch pipe. Infinity pump discharge back to 8 jets. As you can see, I have been playing with Tinker Toys. This is the top of the vault, the entrance to the vault. From up there, it's 13 feet down inside this thing. It's all going to be covered with dirt up to this level, which was the natural level. It's all under pressure, including the pumps and filters down inside the vault right now. These big 4-inch sections come from the basin sections These are skimmers that we installed. They're black front-loading skimmers, so we don't need lids in the coping. That's the equalizer line bottom section. These are the 4 3-inch section lines in the basin. These are the 2 4-inch section lines going to those. Each one is split in the center of the 2 sections, and then reduced down to 3 and ran under the floor of the spa and up into it. These are bonding wires because you're going to make us run a number 4 bonding wire all the way around the spa to bond it and bond the lights. All the light niches are bonded to the this is the outside weir wall. This is the top of the weir. A little sunny this morning, just came up. So here's the end of the basin. This is the channel that will drain into the basin to the rest of it. We've already got this built up and formed from top, so it's an inch higher here than it is over here. So the water level will be right to this edge right here, all the way across to the other edge. We've got this over 60 feet of edge within a 1/2 millimeter of level. These are pipes going to the jets and from the skimmer on this side. So these are conduits coming out from the 3 lights that we stubbed out extra far, so they after they blow the foam here, they will be sticking out of the foam, the insulation foam. So pretty much that's how it looks. And Tim Ringer designed it. I worked with him on a couple adjustments. It's a fantastic idea, well executed. These are more bonding wires. This is for the lube. This one goes into the spa equipment vault to bond all the equipment and the panel. So anyway, there you go. We're under pressure, plumbed, and ready for insulation. And I'd say about 8 days ahead of schedule. I'll give you a tour of the vault as soon as I clean it up a little bit. It's got muck on the bottom from boring holes. So this is Michael Ray. It's April 13th on a Wednesday. They're supposed to be here with the insulation machine about 8 o'clock. Thanks.